My name is Zach Greenwell. My current position is a CLA down in the lab at Intermountain. So I'm in the lab and I'm handling different patient specimens and samples and ordering tests and stuff like that down in the basement of the hospital. The biotech program here at Dixie Tech was the reason I came to St. George, actually. And so I ended up being able to work at the hospital through Dixie Tech as well. Was kind of blown away by just the amount of stuff that we were able to do.
We start with basic biology techniques, basic biology, basic chemistry, basic technology techniques, and starting out with the lab, getting accustomed to all of the equipment, how to use it, how to validate it, maintenance. Students will work with recombinant DNA, look at GMOs, how DNA is used in forensics, how plants and animals have been used in biotechnology.
And the class size was really awesome as well. The class size was so small that we were able to get a lot of one-on-one time with the teacher when we really needed it. Sometimes you feel like you can kind of get a little bit of whiplash because you're learning so much stuff, but the way that it's kind of structured and set up, that it makes it doable and enjoyable as well.
So we do about 9.5 to 10 months of classwork, and then the students will have 180 hours of externship. Get a job right out of school, which then those work hours count as their externship hours to complete their certificate.
I feel like I've learned all the skills I need, and I've made connections that I think are going to be extremely helpful to me in the future. And with my certificate from here, I'm going to be qualified to move up where I want to be in my career. I think is incredible and helped me so much.
The largest umbrella of jobs in the labs fall under the quality control and quality assurance umbrella. We have a really large nutraceutical and food supplement industry.
When you're learning a career like this, it's very hands-on and practical. Being able to learn something in the classroom and being able to go directly into the lab and being able to practice it, I can't even explain how nice that was, especially, like I said, for a hands-on learner like me to be able to do was incredible.